Golden berries may look like tiny yellow-orange tomatoes wrapped inside delicate paper like husks, but these unusual fruits are packed with nutrients that make them much more interesting than their appearance suggests. Also known as Cape gooseberries, golden berries have a naturally sweet and slightly tart flavor that makes them easy to enjoy on their own or add to salads, yogurt, desserts, and smoothies. They contain vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, carotenoids, and several other plant compounds that can support different aspects of health. While no single fruit can transform your health overnight, adding nutrient-dense foods such as golden berries to a balanced diet can provide meaningful nutritional benefits. Number 1. Golden berries can support your immune system. Golden berries are a useful source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays an important role in normal immune function. Vitamin C helps support the activity of immune cells and also contributes to the body's antioxidant defenses. Your body cannot produce vitamin C on its own, so getting enough through foods is important. Adding golden berries to your diet can therefore be a delicious way to increase your intake of this essential vitamin. Number 2. Golden berries are packed with antioxidants. One of the most interesting qualities of golden berries is their variety of antioxidant compounds. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Golden berries contain carotenoids, polyphenols, vitamin C, and other plant compounds that contribute to their antioxidant activity. Eating a variety of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables is associated with supporting long-term health, making these bright little berries a valuable addition to a colorful diet. Number 3. Golden berries can help support digestion. Golden berries contain dietary fiber, which is essential for keeping the digestive system functioning normally. Fiber adds bulk to stool and can help promote regular bowel movements, while also serving as a food source for beneficial bacteria in the gut. Getting enough fiber is associated with better digestive health and can contribute to a healthier gut environment. Enjoying golden berries alongside other high-fiber foods can make it easier to reach your daily fiber needs. Number 4. Golden berries may support healthy eyes. The vibrant golden-orange color of these berries is partly related to their carotenoid content. Carotenoids are plant pigments that include compounds such as beta-carotene and other substances involved in eye health. Some carotenoids can be converted into vitamin A, a nutrient that is essential for normal vision. Golden berries are therefore an interesting fruit to include in a diet that contains a variety of colorful foods known for supporting healthy eyesight. Number 5. Golden berries can support healthy skin. Your skin requires a steady supply of nutrients to maintain its normal structure and function, and golden berries contain several that can contribute to this process. Vitamin C is particularly important because the body uses it to produce collagen, a protein that helps maintain the structure of skin and connective tissues. The antioxidants found in golden berries may also help protect cells from oxidative stress. While eating golden berries will not magically erase wrinkles or cure skin conditions, they can contribute useful nutrients to a diet that supports healthy skin. Number 6. Golden berries may benefit heart health. A healthy cardiovascular system depends on a combination of good nutrition, regular movement, adequate sleep, and other lifestyle factors. Golden berries can contribute to a heart-conscious diet because they contain fiber, antioxidants, potassium, and relatively little fat. Fiber can help support healthy cholesterol levels, while potassium plays an important role in normal cardiovascular function and blood pressure regulation. Including golden berries as part of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other nutrient-dense foods can therefore support overall heart health. Number 7. Golden berries can help support healthy blood sugar levels. Although golden berries have a naturally sweet flavor, they also provide fiber, which can slow the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can make them a more nutritionally balanced choice than many highly processed sweets that contain large amounts of added sugar and little fiber. Their antioxidant and polyphenol content has also attracted scientific interest in relation to metabolic health. However, golden berries are still a source of natural carbohydrates, so people managing diabetes or blood sugar should consider their overall carbohydrate intake rather than assuming that any fruit is automatically unlimited. Number 8. Golden berries provide important vitamins and minerals. Golden berries offer more than just antioxidants because they contain several micronutrients that the body needs for normal functioning. Along with vitamin C, they provide nutrients such as vitamin A-related carotenoids, vitamin K, niacin, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients participate in processes ranging from energy metabolism and immune function to bone health and normal cellular activity. Eating a variety of fruits rather than relying on a single food is the best way to obtain these nutrients, but golden berries can make that variety considerably more interesting. Number 9. Golden berries can be a smart snack for weight management. Golden berries can be especially appealing as a snack because they provide sweetness without being a typical highly processed dessert. Their fiber content can contribute to feelings of fullness, while their water content adds volume and freshness. Replacing foods high in added sugar with whole fruits can make an overall diet more nutrient-dense without sacrificing flavor. Golden berries should not be considered a weight loss food on their own, but they can certainly fit into a balanced eating pattern designed to support a healthy body weight. Number 10. Golden berries give you a powerful combination of plant compounds. Perhaps the biggest reason golden berries stand out is the variety of beneficial compounds found in one small fruit. Along with vitamins and minerals, they contain polyphenols, carotenoids, and other phytochemicals that researchers continue to investigate for their biological effects. These compounds work alongside nutrients such as fiber and vitamin C rather than functioning as one magical ingredient. That combination makes golden berries a particularly interesting example of how eating a variety of whole plant foods can provide the body with a broad spectrum of nutritional compounds. Golden berries may not be as familiar as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, but their nutritional profile gives them plenty of reason to earn a place on the plate. Their combination of fiber, vitamin C, carotenoids, antioxidants, and minerals can support digestion, immunity, vision, skin, cardiovascular health, and overall nutrition. Their naturally sweet and tart flavor also makes them an easy ingredient to incorporate into everyday meals without relying on added sugar. However, there is one important detail to remember when eating golden berries. Only fully ripe golden berries should be consumed. Unripe fruits and other parts of the plant can contain higher levels of naturally occurring compounds that may cause illness. Once ripe, the fruit should have developed its characteristic golden orange color and sweet tart flavor. As with any food, golden berries are best enjoyed as part of a varied and balanced diet rather than treated as a miracle cure. So, the next time you see these tiny golden fruits hiding inside their papery husks, do not overlook them. Behind their unusual appearance is a nutrient-rich fruit offering fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and a surprisingly versatile flavor. From supporting digestion and immunity to contributing to healthy eyes, skin, and heart function, golden berries prove that sometimes the most unusual-looking foods can bring some of the most interesting nutritional benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.